everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you about the new Mini Cooper SE. John Cooper Works electric 215 horsepower with a born sporty design. Mini has introduced the John Cooper Works model to the electric Cooper SE family. John Cooper Works trim package for Cooper SE comes with new windshield and gloss black logo. Custom logo in LED headlights, including two simple horizontal bars that act as DRL lights. Elsewhere, Mini has installed a special set of 18-inch wheels in a 10-rod pattern with a two-tone design and a red brake caliper cover. Also, the roof and side mirror covers have been cut in Chilli Red and have red graphics on the front bonnet. This isn't just the exterior package, as John Cooper Works trim also features the interior with sporty seats with synthetic leather and red threaded walks. The front console and door panels are finished in distinctive black and red. The large central entertainment system screen has been updated to Go-Kart mode that changes the interior lights to red and optimizes the acceleration response of the Cooper SE. The power transmission system remains the same, with a single electric motor delivering 215 horsepower and 330 Nm of torque, along with a 54.2 kWh battery set that can run 402 kilometers. One charge per charge, follows WLTP testing standards and can charge from 10 to 80%. It can also accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h. In 6.7 seconds, the all-electric Mini Cooper SE in John Cooper Works trim combines a passion for unique design, legendary performance and sustainable agility, says Mini CEO Stephanie Wurst.